are going to review about the mop, and this is Mop and Vac. Mop and Vac Zero Bench Series vacuum cleaner from Eureka Forbes. So here we have Mr. Krishna, who had come from Eureka. Let's meet him first, and then we will record the video like how it will work, what are the features, how it will good for our home, and in this pandemic of corona, how this vacuum cleaner will be useful for us. So let's see.
Krishna from Eureka Forbes.
So he is Mr. Krishna from Eureka Forbes, and this is the machine. This is mop and
multi-purpose vacuum for the floor cleaning.
For the floor cleaning. This is the
you can do dry vacuum plus.
This mop and vac is 5 kg, 5.2 kg, and it's 4 feet in height.
And 560 watts motor power.
560 watts motor power.
And regular power condition. Regular power.
Krishna, you are going to tell me about all the features about this.
Yes.
So
So we will put full fresh water in this. Okay.
So this is all.
Fresh water.
Okay.
And you can use the liquid. So we will provide you some liquids for the cleaning liquid.
Okay.
You can add the liquid inside this. Okay.
This is the what is this? This is
Fresh water. Up to this fresh water.
okay.
And then there is a formula we will provide you along with the new machine for the cleaning formula.
Okay.
So that you can add it here. With this you can clean around 1000 square feet area with fresh water.
This full bottle can clean.
Yeah, nearly 1000 square feet area.
Okay.
Okay. So here after cleaning, now we are cleaning this is dirty water collection channel.
This is dirty water
Dirty
collection
water,
channel.
some old dust particles also get collected inside.
This is the way it will open like
Yeah.
a jar.
Yeah, just
and-
wash it, empty it and wash it and reuse it.
Okay.
And you'll find a filter here. This is a HEPA filter, synthetic HEPA filter. Okay, you can just take it out and wash it and reuse it.
So this filter you are giving
Along with the
extra
machine.
also, or we
No,
have
one settle.
one set only will
You
get.
can
But
wash it. You can nothing will happen.
for how long time it will work? I
It will
mean,
more than 5 years. This already the demo kit is 2 years old now.
okay.
So daily we give 3 to 4 demonstration with this. Okay, just connect it here and collect it.
But why the name is a zero and
Madam, this is zero bend series. You can stand and clean this product.
okay, no need to bend.
No need to bend.
But what about? I have few questions. Like why can it go inside the sofa area?
So far there is an area is there. You can see. I'll show you.
Okay.
There
Till
is-
how long it will go?
Yeah. As long as it is going inside, it will go inside. Okay.
Okay.
And you find a bolt brush. You can just remove it here. Just put your finger and remove it. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the bolt brush. Okay. If you want to remove it after cleaning, you just take it out and keep it outside
Okay.
and dry it. Okay. After cleaning. Okay. And whenever you are cleaning, just keep it inside.
So this brush can also be washed at home.
No, you can wash it with this itself. Machine itself, we can wash it. You don't have to wash it separately.
Okay, there's some functionality.
Yeah,
You will
function.
show me
Yes,
that also.
I'll show you.
Okay, so this is the one more time. Let me check it. This is Mop and Vac Zero
Bend series.
Bend Series
Yes.
vacuum cleaner from Eureka
Eureka
Forbes,
Forbes.
right?
And this is on and off switch. You can see here.
Just 1 minute.
Yeah. Just press on. Okay. This for the regular house cleaning, floor
Okay.
cleaning. This for the rug cleaning and hard surface. Okay. Rug you can see.
Suppose-
And you can see this
yeah.
knob here. Once you press this knob, the water will get sprayed. Once you press, water will get sprayed.
So basically, this button is for the
water
mopping.
spray.
Mopping.
Mopping.
If we are not pressing this, the
Only
water
dry.
only dry
Only dry
vacuum will
part.
be happening.
Yes.
Okay, so the machine can be used as a dry
Dry
vacuum.
and mopping.
Mopping,
Yes,
if we are
yes.
pressing,
Press this button.
then only it will come.
Yes.
Okay.
I just show you. You can see this.
Yeah. So how long the cord
6
will be?
meter.
Okay, 6 meter is there.
Okay.
So we can see this. This is cord is
This
2
up
length.
to
So
this, you can see this.
see, this is we have plugged it here, and it can go till, yes, it can cover easily around 20 feet of area, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And you can just see this.
The noise level is there. what function you are doing right now?
If anything, coffee stains, anything is there, or
Okay.
any ketchup or any food items, anything spoiled on like this. I just put a little bit. I'm not going to put more.
Okay.
This is only for the demo purpose. Okay.
Okay, what is this? This
This
is
I put a ketchup here.
okay, ketchup.
For the demonstration purpose. I put little bit of other one also.
Yeah.
You can see it. Okay. I'm not wasting it, but
Yeah.
only for a demo purpose, for the demonstration.
So now he has put the ketchup on the floor and he is going to mop it. So everything is gone inside. One minute, huh? 1 minute.
Everything is, you can
So the
see
ketchup has come in this
it.
jar.
In this jar, and wash it and reuse it.
So we can wash and
And
so
reuse
this is some plug and play option is there?
the button.
Oh, this is the knob.
Just remove it. Okay.
This is the knob. You just press it and it will come out.
Come
That's
out.
it. This is the one of the accessories. And
So
what
this
are the other one?
On
Removable thing is this
This
one. This is the fresh water.
fresh water.
With some disinfectant you can use
You
it,
can
right?
use it.
Okay. So there are two things. One is the disinfectant and other one is the
dirty water. All the clean.
right. Tell how it will.
Any paper piece.
Oh,
anything-
paper pieces also
Yeah.
it will take.
Anything is
So
there.
here is twinning the paper. And let's see how it will work. So now let's see how is this mop and vac will work on this.
Machine you can keep it. This is a daily using. Okay.
Again, this is a latch.
Yeah.
Okay,
You can
how?
just,
Okay.
Whenever you don't want two lengths for cleaning the floor, no, you can just put one or two. Okay. Then start it.
So you can easily stand and
Yes.
okay. Now can you show us and then we will see now. Oh, okay, okay.
This much you can.
Okay. If your sofa is so now the whatever we have
Paper,
mopped everything and little water was
water,
there.
all the water, dirty water, everything.
He has
is
taken
collected. You
everything
can
has
just
come.
wash
in
it and reuse it.
So we will wash that jar and again keep in the right place.
Right place.
And how long? I mean, how frequently we have to wash this brush down
Madam,
one?
just what you have to do washing, just press the button.
No.
Keep like this.
Can you please tell me?
You don't have to take it out and wash it.
Okay, then
Okay, just press this button,
this which one?
the water spraying button.
Okay.
Switch on. Keep it like this.
Okay, it will automatically.
So 1 minute, 30 seconds or 1 minute. Now
Great.
it got clean. You can see this.
Oh wow.
Dried.
Oh, it got dried out.
Dried. Yes.
So we need not to take out the brush
No, you
and
don't
we
need.
just have to press the button for one. I think
Yes.
a few seconds, like
Few
one.
seconds, 30 seconds is enough.
We have to press this upper button,
Switch on the machine.
switch on the machine
Then press the water releasing.
up to 30 seconds.
Yeah, 30 seconds.
And your brush will be cleaned so nicely. As you can see, water is it is getting dry. So this is very nice feature of this mop and vac.
And this for a daily purpose you can use it. So after cleaning, just keep it like this, ready to use.
So he is unplugged, and this is the way how we can keep this machine.
Keep it any corners, any nooks and corners, you can just keep it ready to use position.
And see, this will take this much of space, and
not
easily
less than
can
1
use.
feet.
Let's see what's the price of this product.
This,
You have seen
this
the
price
demo.
will cost you 21,990.
21,000.
990 with a 2 years warranty. Any problem is we replace the products.
Okay, you will replace.
You will replace.
And in between, anything,
Happen.
any jar is broken or
Or
anything
we'll
is
replace
happening.
the jar. Within 2 years, if anything is there, we'll replace the jar.
Within 2 years, you will replace.
Replace.
Both the jars, whatever bottle.
Whatever anything, any problem is any manufacturing as per the regular warranty condition.
Okay.
Any problem is there, we'll change it.
That brush also can be replaced.
But no, this is a chargeable. This is a consumable things. This one.
Okay, 1 minute. You are saying that this is not.
This is a consumable thing. Customer
Okay.
can buy how many they want, they can buy.
Okay, this is available on.
It's available. Yeah.
So, Krishna, what is the booking procedure for this?
We'll provide your company payment link.
Okay.
So that Eureka Karnataka.nowpay.co.in.
Okay. Okay, this is the link. You
link.
will. Okay,
Yeah.
here we have to pay.
Yeah, you are just click here. Once you click the link. So you get the option is the receipt form will come. Put your name, last name, email ID, phone number, address. Then amount you can put your mobile number as customer ID. Then you will get a screenshot sent to me, my mobile number 9036069215.
Okay.
That number you can share it.
So we'll get all the offers and discount, whatever are there.
Yeah, whatever it is. You can call me directly to my number.
Okay.
So we'll come and do the even personal demonstration and training also will come to your home and do it.
Okay, you will
After
give it
delivery.
after delivery.
Yes.
And payment has to be done by cash or
Not cash.
Sorry,
Anything,
credit card or
debit
whatever
card,
online options are
online
there.
option is there. Do that. Or you put the employee code through our website also.
Okay.
9000361.
Okay.
My employee code. You can add that my employee code. So we'll get an SMS. So immediately we'll arrange for the delivery.
Okay, done.
Or you can call me on my mobile number 90360
Okay, this
two
is it.
options.
Okay. Okay.
So once we come to know, we'll come personally for the training purpose.
Okay.
So
Whosoever
this is
will
the
buy
demo.
this product,
We
you
can
will.
come personally, we will come and train them also. With all the safety, today we use all these safety measures, even we use hand gloves, we are carrying the
Sanitizer.
sanitizer, mask, head mask, everything we are carrying.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Mr. Krishna, for all the demo you have
Thank you.
given to us
Thank you.
in the society. Thank you.
Hope you liked the video about Zero Bend vacuum cleaner. I really did like it. Vacuum cleaner is the boon to the woman and a real savior. The reviews comment are, it is having a easy functionality, it's handy to use, and it's a space savior and time savior. The only disadvantages I found was the noise which you normally found in any Eureka 4 product. It's the best buy and go for it. I would like to thank Kriti for making us aware about this product and arrange the demo for this product. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like it, subscribe my channel. Thank you.